sa dive, comfortable na posisyon. Napagod mo. Oo, parang ganun na din. Tama ka dyan, Ryan. Ryan, ilabas mo na yung isang personality mo. Yung isang account mo. Mamaya tatagos ka na sa pader. No choice. Ryan, ilabas mo na. Oh my God, ano yung mga yan? There's a witch. Oo, nakakapagod mo.
What the hell are they doing now? The Holy Inquisition believed that the punishments should fit the crimes that were committed. But the crime was blasphemy, lying, and manipulation. The applied to the victim's mouth, so she could never use it again.
Sorry na nakakarried away ako sa pinapanood ko. Hi, Tosh. Witch yan! Maganda ka! Hawakan niyo pa, sige.
She used a voice for evil. That's why they tried silencing her forever.
O, diba? Sige na to, hi.
According to tradition, the only way to destroy a witch is to burn her.
Kinabahan naman ako. Hi, Chan.
It's not gonna be
Luis, 956. Daddy, hello, guys.
Where's Daniel?
He'll be back shortly. You have to stay here.
What? No,
Listen.
don't even think.
Listen. This afternoon you asked about your mother's death. Do you want to know why she killed herself? Do you want the answer? Well, I don't have it, Ruth. I wish I did.
Ano daw? Ano daw?
I just can't bear losing you.
Pwede ka
Promise me.
mag-
I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Oo, actually.
This house.
Gusto, plano ko mag-YouTube account after live, yung manonood ako. Kasi nga, grabe ako makareact. Promise, di ko nakokontrol yun. Tapos minsan, madalas siguro mukhang tanga. Kasi may mga challenge pa, yung bawal tumawa, inom ka ng gatas, tapos bawal tumawa. Manonood ba kayo pag nag-YouTube channel ako? Yung mga challenge na iinom ka ng milk dito, tapos bawal tumawa. Tapos ako, mabilis kasi yung matawa. Mabilis ako matawa, tingin ko, nakakatawa. Hindi, madami nagsasabi, mukhang tanga. Maingay manood, at tapos nagkukwento pa. Siguro, kaya nanonood ako mag-isa kasi pag may kasama ako manood, nabubulabog ko sila. Ayan na, wait lang.